The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, and it might be the most polished foldable Samsung has ever made. It's thinner, lighter, and more refined in every way. When you first hold it, you can tell right away, this isn't just another foldable. This feels like the future finally becoming practical. Folded, the phone feels more compact and easier to use one-handed. The hinge is tighter and more durable, folding completely flat with almost no gap. It's smoother, stronger, and more satisfying to open and close. Samsung has clearly improved the engineering here. Unfold it, and you're greeted with a beautiful 7.8-inch AMOLED screen. It's bright, sharp, and super smooth with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The crease is still there, but it's less noticeable than before. In normal use, you'll barely pay attention to it. The outer display has been slightly widened to 6.3 inches, and that simple change makes a huge difference. Typing is easier, browsing is more comfortable, and you can now use it as a full smartphone without needing to unfold it every time. Both screens are more usable than ever before. Performance is top tier thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Apps open instantly, gaming is buttery smooth, and multitasking is seamless. You get 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. There's no SD card slot, but most users won't miss it. One UI Fold Edition adds powerful multitasking tools. You can run 3 apps side by side, use floating windows, and drag and drop between apps. The new taskbar remembers your recently used apps and is always ready. It feels more like using a tablet or even a mini computer than a phone. Flex mode is more useful too. Fold the phone halfway, and you can watch videos on the top half while using controls on the bottom. You can take selfies hands-free, or record a video without a tripod. The experience feels natural and smart. The cameras haven't changed much. On paper, a 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto, but the image processing has improved. Photos are sharper, with more natural colors. Low-light shots are cleaner. Portraits look better. And the 10x digital zoom is usable. For a foldable, these cameras perform like a flagship. Video is just as good. You can record in 4K at 60 frames per second. With strong stabilization and clean audio. Flex mode turns the Fold into its own tripod. And you can preview your shot on the cover screen while using the rear camera. Perfect for creators. Battery life is better than expected. The 4,600 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. That's thanks to a more efficient chip and smart software. It supports 25W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging too. Not the fastest charging on the market, but still reliable. The speakers are loud and clear, haptics are sharp, and call quality is excellent. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and full 5G support keep you connected at all times. Everything just works the way you'd expect from a premium phone. Build quality is excellent. Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the outside, stronger ultra-thin glass on the inside, and a lighter, more durable hinge. It's also IPX8 rated for water resistance, though it still doesn't have dust resistance, so you'll want to be careful with sand or dirt. The S Pen works beautifully on the main screen. It's precise and responsive, great for notes, sketches, or photo edits. But once again, there's no built-in slot to store it. You'll need a case with a holder. It's still a missed opportunity, and then there's the price. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,899. It's expensive, no doubt. But if you want the most futuristic, most capable phone on the market, this is it. Samsung often offers trade-in deals, and if you're upgrading from an older Fold, you might save quite a bit. This phone isn't for everyone. If you just want a regular smartphone, you're better off with something like the Galaxy S25. But if you love multitasking, need a big screen in your pocket, or just want something that can do more, this is the phone for you. It's not perfect. The crease is still there. The S Pen still doesn't fit inside. Charging could be faster. But overall, the Z Fold 7 feels more complete than ever. It's no longer a prototype. It's a real, usable, daily phone. Once you start using it, it's hard to go back to anything else. It changes the way you work, watch, play, and communicate. It makes your smartphone feel like a tool again, one that adapts to what you need in the moment. Samsung has refined the foldable to a point where it feels ready for anyone who's willing to try something new. And if that's you, the Fold 7 will not disappoint. Thanks for watching this review on Tap Tech. If you found it helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. Let us know in the comments, are you ready to fold? Or are you waiting for the next version? See you in the next one.